DevOps Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 3. Question 1. Which of the following is the best practice for managing application configurations in DevOps? A. Hard coding settings into the application. B. Storing configurations in environment variables. C. Storing configurations in a source code repository. D. Keeping configurations on the local machine. The correct answer is B. Storing configurations in environment variables. Environment variables provide a secure and scalable way to manage configuration across multiple environments. Question 2. Which of the following tools is used to automate the deployment of code changes? A. Docker. B. Kubernetes. C. Jenkins. D. GitLab. The correct answer is C. Jenkins. Jenkins is a widely used tool for automating the build, test, and deployment pipeline in DevOps. Question 3. Which of the following is true about containers in a DevOps environment? A. Containers run on their own operating systems. B. Containers can be easily scaled across multiple machines. C. Containers are slower than virtual machines. D. Containers require no orchestration tools. The correct answer is B. Containers can be easily scaled across multiple machines. Containers are lightweight and portable, allowing easy scaling and management with orchestration tools like Kubernetes. Question 4. What is the purpose of the Docker Compose tool? A. To manage multi-container Docker applications. B. To build Docker images. C. To deploy containers to Kubernetes. D. To monitor Docker containers. The correct answer is A. To manage multi-container Docker applications. Docker Compose helps define and run multi-container applications by using a configuration file. Question 5. What does the term immutable infrastructure mean? A. Infrastructure that can be easily modified. B. Infrastructure that remains constant across environments. C. Infrastructure that is never deleted. D. Infrastructure that cannot be updated after deployment. The correct answer is D. Infrastructure that cannot be updated after deployment. Immutable infrastructure is designed so that components are replaced rather than updated, ensuring consistency. Question 6. Which command is used to create a Docker container from an image? A. Docker start. B. Docker create. C. Docker run. D. Docker exec. The correct answer is C. Docker run. The Docker run command is used to create and start a container from a Docker image. Question 7. Which of the following is a tool used for monitoring application performance in DevOps? A. Prometheus. B. Terraform. C. Kubernetes. D. Chef. The correct answer is A. Prometheus. Prometheus is an open-source tool used to monitor and alert on system performance and metrics. Question 8. What is the primary purpose of using version control systems like Git in DevOps? A. To automate the deployment process. B. To manage the infrastructure configuration. C. To track changes and collaborate on code. D. To orchestrate containerized applications. The correct answer is C. To track changes and collaborate on code. Version control systems like Git allow teams to collaborate and manage code changes efficiently. Question 9. Which of the following is an example of a container orchestration tool? A. Jenkins. B. Kubernetes. C. GitLab. D. Nagios. The correct answer is B. Kubernetes. Kubernetes is the leading platform for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Question 10. Which of these tools is used for infrastructure as code? A. Git. B. Chef. C. Terraform. D. Docker. The correct answer is C. Terraform. Terraform is a widely used IAC tool that allows infrastructure management and provisioning through code. Question 11. Which of the following is an advantage of using continuous integration? A. Faster code delivery and fewer integration conflicts. B. Manual integration of code from different developers. C. More complex workflows and delayed feedback. D. Manual testing and validation of code changes. The correct answer is A. Faster code delivery and fewer integration conflicts. C helps to catch errors early, speeding up the development process and reducing conflicts. Question 12. Which command is used to check the status of a running Docker container? A. Docker ps. B. Docker stop. C. Docker inspect. D. Docker status. The correct answer is A. Docker ps. The Docker ps command lists all running Docker containers along with their status. Question 13. Which DevOps tool is often used to automate application configuration and deployment? A. Jenkins. B. Chef. C. Kubernetes. D. GitLab. The correct answer is B. Chef. Chef is a configuration management tool used to automate infrastructure and application deployments. Question 14. Which of the following benefits does Kubernetes offer in a DevOps environment? A. Automates database management. B. Handles server-level monitoring. C. Automates container orchestration and scaling. D. Manages cloud infrastructure provisioning. The correct answer is C. Automates container orchestration and scaling. Kubernetes automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications in a DevOps environment. Question 15. Which of these tools is used for continuous delivery in DevOps? A. GitHub. B. Jenkins. C. Kubernetes. D. Nagios. The correct answer is B. Jenkins. Jenkins is commonly used in DevOps for automating continuous integration and continuous delivery. Question 16. Which of the following is a key feature of Docker in DevOps? A. It allows the creation of virtual machines. B. It automates the testing process. C. It enables the creation and deployment of containers. D. It monitors system health and performance. The correct answer is C. It enables the creation and deployment of containers. Docker is used to create and manage lightweight, portable containers for software applications. Question 17. What is the purpose of a blue-green deployment? A. To switch between two identical environments to avoid downtime during updates. B. To deploy applications in a rolling update fashion. C. To deploy new features for specific users. D. To ensure backward compatibility with older versions. The correct answer is A. To switch between two identical environments to avoid downtime during updates. Blue-green deployment minimizes downtime by switching between two identical environments for smooth software upgrades. Question 18. Which tool is primarily used for automating cloud infrastructure provisioning? A. Jenkins. B. Chef. C. Terraform. D. Kubernetes. The correct answer is C. Terraform. Terraform is an IAC tool used for automating the provisioning and management of cloud infrastructure. Question 19. Which DevOps tool is most commonly used for container orchestration? A. Docker Compose. B. Ansible. C. Kubernetes. D. GitLab. The correct answer is C. Kubernetes. Kubernetes is the most widely used tool for orchestrating containers and managing their lifecycle. Question 20. What is the purpose of automated testing in DevOps? A. To reduce manual intervention in the testing process. B. To speed up the debugging process. C. To automate code reviews. D. To generate user interface tests. The correct answer is A. To reduce manual intervention in the testing process. Automated testing helps catch errors early and speeds up the CI/CD pipeline by eliminating manual testing.